Now see question number 4. If alpha and beta are the complex cube root of unity, show that alpha square plus beta square plus alpha into beta equals to 0. And second, alpha raised to the power 4 plus beta raised to the power 4 plus alpha raised to the power minus 1 into beta raised to the power minus 1 equals to 0. So first we must know the value of alpha and beta. Here alpha and beta are the complex cube root of unity. We know that complex cube root of unity 1. Then we already prove here these values are minus 1 plus I root 3 upon 2 and minus 1 minus I root 3 upon 2. So we already discussed here alpha and beta are complex conjugates of each other. So we consider here alpha equals to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 and beta equals to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Here we have to find alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta, and this value must be equal to 0. That means we have to consider here LHS and we have to show its value equals to 0. So first we calculate here alpha plus beta. So we add these two. So we write here alpha plus beta. We substitute the value of alpha as minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 and value of beta as minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Here base is same. So we add numerator terms with numerator term. So we write here base 2 because base is same. Then minus 1 plus I root 3 plus minus 1 minus I root 3. Here I root 3 and minus I root 3 are same but with opposite sign. So these two terms get cancelled. So we get here minus 1 and this denominator is as it is. So we add minus 1 with minus 1, we get minus 2 and denominator again as it is. So minus 2 upon 2 we get minus 1. So in this way we first calculate alpha plus beta, which is equals to minus 1. Then we find alpha into beta. So we substitute value of alpha and substitute value of beta. Here alpha is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, beta is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. So here we multiply denominator terms. So 2 into 2, 4. So we write in denominator 4. In numerator we use the form a plus b, a minus b. Here value of a is minus 1 and value of b is I root 3. That means in numerator we use a square minus b square form. So we write here in denominator 2 into 2, 4. In numerator value of a is minus 1. So we write here minus 1 square minus value of b is I root 3. So here minus 1 square we get plus 1. Here we have to take square of I, square of root 3. So we write in next step this minus 1 square as plus 1. We separate the square of I and square of root 3 here. So we write here I square as minus 1, root 3 square as 3. We use concept I square as minus 1. So we write here this one as it is, I square as minus 1, root 3 square. So square and square root get cancelled, we get 3. So here minus minus get plus 1. So we write here plus 1 into 3, that is plus 3. So 1 plus 3 we get 4 in numerator. So we write first minus minus plus 1 into 3, 3. So 1 plus 3 we get 4. So we get here 4 upon 4 which is equals to 1. Now we find the value of alpha plus beta equals to minus 1 and alpha into beta equals to 1. So we use here one concept, alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta equals to alpha plus beta square minus alpha into beta. We know that alpha plus beta square equals to alpha square plus beta square plus twice alpha beta. So we transfer one alpha beta to right hand side. So we get minus alpha beta. Now we have the value of alpha plus beta, which is -1. We have the value of alpha into beta, which is 1. So we substitute both the values, alpha plus beta as -1 and alpha into beta as 1. So we write here alpha plus beta as -1, this alpha into beta as 1. Now we know that minus square is always plus. So we write here minus square as plus, 1 square is 1. So we get here in RHS 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this value we get 0, which is equals to RHS. So in this way we show alpha square plus beta square plus alpha into beta equals to 0, which is RHS. Now second, we have to show alpha raised to the power 4 plus beta raised to the power 4 plus alpha raised to the power -1 into beta raised to the power -1 equals to 0. Now in this second sub question also, we have to find first alpha plus beta, then alpha into beta. So you have to use same procedure that we use in sub question 1. So we write here alpha as -1 plus I root 3 by 2, beta as -1 minus I root 3 by 2. So first we add these two. So we add these two. So substitute the value of alpha, substitute the value of beta. Base is same. We add the numerators. This I root 3 get cancelled with this minus I root 3. So we get -1 which is -2. So we write -1 -1 is -2. So -2 upon 2 we get -1. So first we find the value of alpha plus beta. Why we take this again? Because these questions may be asked separately. So you have to solve this value alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So we find alpha into beta. So you use the same concept, that is we multiply numerator terms with numerator term, denominator terms with denominator terms. So 2 into 2 we write 4. In numerator we use a square minus b square form. Here value of a is -1, value of b is I root 3. So we square each term of this second bracket. So I square we replace by -1 and this square and square root get cancelled, we get 3. So we write here 1 plus 3 because minus minus get plus. So 1 plus 3 upon 4, which is 4 upon 4, which is equals to 1. So here we have to find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now we have to find here alpha square plus beta square equals to alpha plus beta square minus twice alpha beta. How we write this? If we transfer this minus twice alpha beta to left hand side, this is formula for a plus b bracket square, that is a square plus b square plus twice ab. Here we use instead of ab alpha beta. Now we find here value alpha square plus beta square, because we have to convert alpha raised to the power 4 plus beta raised to the power 4 into power 2. So we calculate this value first, alpha square plus beta square. So we substitute alpha plus beta as -1 and alpha into beta as 1. So -1 square we get +1, 2 into 1 we get 2. So we write here 1 minus 2 as -1. Now next we have to use here concept. We required alpha raised to the power 4. So how we write this? From this first formula, see here, we replace this alpha by x square, this beta by y square. So we write here x square its square plus y square its square equals to, here also we replace alpha and beta by x square y square. So we write here x square plus y square its bracket square minus twice x square y square. Now we required this value in the form of alpha. So we write here this x as alpha. So alpha square its square plus beta square its square equals to alpha square plus beta square bracket square minus twice alpha square beta square. So for your understanding, we write this in the form of xy first, then we write this alpha square its bracket square as alpha raised to the power 4 and this beta square bracket square as beta raised to the power 4, and this alpha square plus beta square bracket square we keep as it is. Then this alpha square beta square we keep as it is. Now we write this alpha square into beta square in one bracket also. So we use in LHS these values. LHS is alpha raised to the power 4 plus beta raised to the power 4 plus alpha raised to the power minus 1 into beta raised to the power minus 1. That means this alpha raised to the power 4, beta raised to the power 4 we can replace by this value, alpha square plus beta square bracket raised to the power 2 minus 2 times alpha square beta square, and this alpha raised to the power minus 1, beta raised to the power minus 1 we write in denominator, then its power reduced to plus. So we write this alpha raised to the power minus 1 as 1 upon alpha, and this beta raised to the power minus 1 as 1 upon beta. So we write here this alpha raised to the power minus 1 as 1 upon alpha, and this beta raised to the power minus 1 as 1 upon beta. So we write this as 1 upon alpha into beta. And in next step we write this alpha square into beta square in one square. So we write alpha into beta, its bracket square. Now we have the value of alpha square plus beta square, its bracket square, because we have the value alpha square beta square. Then we have the value of alpha into beta, and we have the value of here also alpha into beta for substituting. So we write here alpha square plus beta square, which we calculate as minus 1. So we replace this alpha square plus beta square by minus 1 here. This value we replace by minus 1. This alpha into beta we replace by 1, and this again 1 upon alpha into beta. So this alpha into beta we replace by 1. So minus 1 square we get plus 1. This 1 square is 1. So minus 2 into 1 we get minus 2. This 1 upon 1 we get 1. So 1 plus 1 which is 2. So 2 minus 2 we get 0, which is equals to RHS. So in this way you can show LHS equals to RHS. So for this solution you must know the value of alpha, which is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, and beta equals to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. You can interchange these two value. You can say alpha is equals to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 and beta equals to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. You get the same answer.